In this video, I'm going to teach you 2 different ways to make a wreath hanger for your wreath. Hello, I'm Julie Siomacco with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. I've been teaching thousands of people online how to master the art of wreath making, and one of the questions they always ask is, how do I make a wreath hanger for my wreath? So in this video, stay tuned. I'm going to teach you 2 ways to make a wreath hanger for your wreath. Start with a 25-inch piece of rustic wire, and you're going to fold it in half. This is your hanger, and these are the tails. So now what you're going to do is you're going to lay your wreath on top of the hanger, and then you're going to pull the tails up just like this, and then around. Now you have a hanger for your wreath. Start with a pipe cleaner. You're going to take the ends of the pipe cleaner and you're going to curl them up. And then you're going to curl this and fold this in half. So now it looks like you've got this little Greek letter in the alphabet, or maybe some kind of upside down M or something. But this is what it looks like, just like that. All right, so now you're going to take the tails and you're going to fold them towards one way. So I'm going to fold them towards me. And this is what it's going to feed underneath the frame of your deco mesh wreath. So we're going to feed these underneath the frame of the deco mesh wreath, just like that. Twist it together once or twice. And then now you can wrap these around the base of your loop, creating your wreath hanger. And there you have it, 2 different ways to make a hanger for your wreaths. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click that like button and comment below. I want to know your thoughts. Did you like this tutorial? Did you have any questions? Let me know. If you click the little subscribe button or the little icon that's the bell shape, you'll be notified the next time we upload a video here on our YouTube channel, or when we go live, which we occasionally do. I hope you enjoyed the video, you guys. Until the next time, bye.